How to lock cells in Google Sheets is a crucial skill for anyone working with collaborative spreadsheets. Locking cells, also known as freezing cells, allows you to restrict editing and protect sensitive data from being modified. To start, open your Google Sheet and select the cells you want to lock. You can do this by clicking and dragging your cursor over the desired cells. Next, go to the Data menu and click on Protected Sheets and Ranges. In the Protected Sheets and Ranges pane, click on Add a sheet or range. Then, select the range of cells you want to lock and choose the permissions. You can choose to show a warning when someone tries to edit the locked cells or completely restrict editing. You can also set specific permissions for different users or groups. For example, you can allow certain users to edit the locked cells while restricting others. Another way to lock cells is by using the Format tab. Select the cells you want to lock. Go to the Format tab and click on Lock Cell. Best practice is to regularly review and update your locked cells to ensure they remain relevant and secure. It is also important to communicate with your collaborators about which cells are locked and why. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively lock cells in Google Sheets and protect your data from unauthorized changes. This is especially useful when working with sensitive information or when you need to maintain data integrity. In summary, locking cells in Google Sheets is a simple and effective way to restrict editing and protect your data. By using the Protected Sheets and Ranges pane or the Format tab, you can easily lock cells and set specific permissions for different users or groups. Regular review and communication with collaborators are key to maintaining data security and integrity.